Hey, welcome to Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. Today we're actually going to do some leftovers. Yesterday I made a huge boneless rib sandwich for 4th of July. Today we're going to put a little twist on it and remake it on a ciabatta roll. So here's my roll. I already got that. Let me get the other camera going for you. There we go. Here you can see that. So I have what I called my charged up sauce, which is top secret. Unless you ask for it, I'll put it in the comments. Hopefully everybody had a great 4th. All right, there we go. There's the charge up sauce. Here's the ribs that I steamed yesterday. You can see they're fall apart. We pulled the bones out. Just going to set this over here. I also sauteed some onions. Look at that. There we go. Just pile it on. A little better spot. I like bread and butter pickles, so we're going to get some pickles on here. As many as you want. All right. I have some cherry smoked barbecue sauce. Let me drizzle that on. All right, and then I'm going to top it all off. We didn't use this yesterday, but I'm going to top it off with some coleslaw I made. Get a little more on there. There you go. All right, take a look at that. How's that look? Does that look like a good sandwich? Good night, McRib. This is much better. Real baby back ribs. Excellent. Appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful evening. Okay, love you. Bye.